Hey guys, it's me. I am in Meadville, Pennsylvania to do an unboxing. I just purchased a train off of eBay. I'm not good at this stuff. I'm still trying to get used to it, but here we go. I'm going to flip this around and then you're going to watch me do the unboxing. Got ourselves a MTH Rail King. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's my Western New York and Pennsylvania 630. They just got rid of it. They retired it. But I had to add it to my roster because Western New York, Pennsylvania is my favorite short line railroad, along with my local railroad. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. There we go. Got my Western New York, Pennsylvania here. I get this stuff up to his. Where you got there? Well, that's my first unboxing, I think. Zippity doo dah. Hope everybody's doing well today. Thanksgiving's coming up. Oh yeah, and I broke 100 subscribers and I just wanted to thank everybody. Alright, here we go. Western New York, Pennsylvania. The front of it. Like Ray of Ray's Trains, hopefully I don't drop this. I just watched his video last night. Gave me the motivation to do this, by golly. Thanks, Ray. Alright. Let's see here. Let's bring this on over. Well, it doesn't look like the color's perfect, but by golly, it doesn't matter. Alright. So we got that, and then we've got that. They retired her to the museum here in Meadville, Pennsylvania. You can clearly see that the color is not exact, but again, who cares? It's Western New York, Pennsylvania, and I dig them. Now you can see the real one's much darker than this one. Drove an hour and a half to get here. This is the Meadville, Pennsylvania. I don't know if I'll be able to find the Western New York and Pennsylvania because I do not have internet service. I'm old school, I am. But yeah, anyways. So there it is. Let's take a walk around to the front here. I love that emblem. That's a beautiful emblem. I don't know if you can see that or not, or in the sun. Oh, and they got the Christmas lights on it. Isn't that something? I was actually gonna use this to pull some Christmas cards. Huh. Alright guys, quick little video. Thanks for watching. Now we're gonna drive back an hour and a half again. Did all this just for an unboxing. Alright guys, I'm sure when I turn this back on, I will be down in the basement with this beauty on the layout. Alright guys, have a good one. Why did I say that? I'll be right back. Well, I think we found the Western New York of Pennsylvania here in Meadville. It was just around the corner from where we were at. Yeah, so before we get over there, I just wanted to scope out this stuff. The big plow here. Be kind of fun to ride up in that spot up there, wouldn't it? This thing's huge. Oh yeah, and by the way, I forgot my microphones once again. I bought them a few weeks ago, and because I don't use them, I forget that I have them. Sooner or later I'll forget, or I'll remember that I have them and I'll use them. Well, I don't know how this is coming in. That sun's probably screwing everything up, but I'll come out this way away from the sun. This thing's huge though. Over here we got something from the Erie. Again guys, hey, real quick, I'm not knowledgeable on trains at all. I know nothing about them. I'm one of them dudes that looks at a car and I like it. I'm not the guy that knows what's under the engine. I know absolutely nothing about trains. I just know that I love them. They relax me. There's something about trains, man. I'm almost 2 years into my hobby, so I would consider that being in the second grade, so to speak, of being a rail enthusiast. I haven't the slightest clue what these things are. If anybody knows, comment. I'm sure there's probably a plaque here somewhere that says, but I'm sure it's got something to do with trains or something, but I don't know. I don't know. Would that be a wood reefer or wood box car? I mean, obviously it's wood, but I do believe just down that road is Western New York, Pennsylvania. We were down here last year, I think. 4th of July. No, it wasn't last year. It was the year before. It was last year. I think it was last year. We went to the Caboose Motel in Titusville. And we took the Titusville Oil City Excursion Railroad. We stopped down here, but because I'm so nervous and all that stuff, I didn't post anything. Well, anyways, alright, we're gonna get back to the car, head on down the road. Alright, as I so rudely cut myself off as I was recording because I'm an idiot. Here we are, we're cruising down this little road to take us down to the western New York, Pennsylvania. Again, this was an hour-and-a-half drive. We're in Meadville, Pennsylvania. Western New York, Pennsylvania. We're in the Pennsylvania part. We normally go to the Olean Yard, which is just about a half hour or so away from our house. So that's a little closer. That's the Western New York part of it. Ah, there it is. Look at that big, beautiful logo down there. I don't think there's anything out, though, but... oh, well. I got out and about. Me and the wife got out. I forgot to put my seatbelt on. I like to be able to sit up there in that tower and just watch the trains do what they do when they do it. I really do love that logo. How simple it is, but I think next to the Buffalo Bills logo, I think it's one of the best logos. Yeah, it's a Saturday. I didn't think that there would be anything out, but it was worth a try. We were in the area. I suppose. All right, next stop, basement.
Dispatcher, this is the dog catch crew, over.
This is the dispatcher. Go ahead, over. This is the dispatcher. Go ahead, over.
Dispatcher, we're on board now, over. Dispatcher, we're on board now, over.
Do you have all your paperwork? Have you read and acknowledged everything, over?
That's a roger, dispatcher. We got all our paperwork. That's a roger, dispatcher. We got all our paperwork. We're waiting further instructions, over.
Okay to proceed on signal indication, over.
Roger that, dispatcher. Okay to proceed on signal indication. Out.
Alright guys, I finally got the video done. It's a week later after the Meadville trip. It's actually Thanksgiving right now. So I'm hoping everybody had a good turkey or are going to have a good turkey. Yeah. So I finally got the video together. That's my Western New York, Pennsylvania, 630. I'm going to use it as my Christmas train. Take no offense to that, to any other Western New York and Pennsylvania fans. Please don't take no offense to that. But hey, thanks for watching. More videos to come. Alright, happy Thanksgiving.